Hey guys, Nicolai Abano here from Build with Nick. We are here in Maddington and we're gonna do the episode 15 of our key handover series. This land is 266 square meters and the total house area or the roof area is 186. Let's have a look. Before we check out the house, a bit of a recap with the suburb of Maddington. Maddington is located in the South Perth metro area. We are 20 minutes away from Perth airport, and we are close to Westfield Carousel, which is one of the biggest shopping center here in Perth. We are pretty much 15 minutes away from that shopping center. However, Maddington, they have a lot of shopping center as well. In this piece of land, we are close to the Maddington Forum, which is around 5 minutes drive or even 10 minutes walk from this house. As I mentioned, the land area is 266 square meters and the total roof area, house area is 186 square meters. We have a custom design for this house. So as I mentioned before, we can definitely do custom design based on the requirements of the client, at the same time the requirements of the council for that property. Alright, as we enter the house, we have the hallway. But before that, let's go to the first part of the house. So we have the master bedroom on my left hand side. So the master bedroom, it is 4.3 which is the length, and it is 3.5 which is the width. So as you can see, our master bedroom, it is carpeted. We have a very huge window. It's a black window, and we have your common door. Very spacious master bedroom. On the other side of the master bedroom, we have a walk-in closet. That is a huge or a good size amount of walk-in closet. And of course, we have the ensuite toilet. It's an open ensuite toilet. It's a double shower. Oh, actually, it's a combination of kind of like a double shower and a bathtub as well. We have a toilet on my left hand side, and we have the sink, and we have a lot of cupboards onto this one. Now, that is our master bedroom. It is a combination of the ensuite toilet and bath, and of course the walk-in closet. Alright, we are back in the main house. So we have the hallway. But before we go to the common area, let's go to bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. Alright, so with the bedroom 3, it is 3.3 by 3.2. We have your sliding door over here, or sliding rope. So plenty amount of space, and I really like how they design the window. It's very unique. It's an L-shaped window. You can open it from here and open from here as well. Alright, let's go to the other bedroom. So this is one of our bedroom. It's carpeted. Also, as you might notice, with the tiles, it is 600 by 600. So, alright, so this is our bedroom number 3. Similar size. I would say this one might be a bit more smaller than the bedroom number 3, but they are 3.2, I would say, by 2.8. And we have a huge window over here, and of course a sliding wardrobe. Plenty amount of space. Alright, it is carpeted as well. Ceiling, it might be 28 core ceiling. For the rooms, they are 28 core ceiling, and for the common area, there are 31 core ceiling. Before we go to the common area, we have our common toilet and common bath. Of course, we always tend to separate them. We have the common toilet over here and with the common bath. With the common bath, we have the sink, and also we have a double shower. That's quite nice. Plenty amount of space for the visitor or for the guest if they want to use their common bathroom. As you can see, I'm going to show to you later on how they design their common bathroom. They put a lot of flavor, or I would say aesthetic look with their common bathroom. The design of wood for the cupboards and a black sleek metal design for their shower screen, and of course with their tiling as well. Alright, let's go to the common area. Before we go to the common area, as usual, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and feel free to share my videos to one of your friends or family who wants to build their house. Without further ado, let's go to our common area. So we have a 31 core ceiling, we have our living area, dining area, and of course the very slick and modern design kitchen. We have a open kitchen, as you can see. We have space to go for this kitchen, this way of the kitchen, and on the other side, we have a good amount of space for their benchtop aisle. But look how big the benchtop or the L shape of this benchtop. You have a lot of overhead cupboards, as you can see, and the way they design or pick the colors from the cupboards for the splashback and an open window you can see from the alfresco. The good thing about this is you feel like you have an open outdoor living because on how close the alfresco to the kitchen. So if they want to have a party or big celebration, you can always open this one and bang, you have a open outdoor indoor-outdoor living. Even when this kitchen, like in the future, if they plan to change this one and open it, to have like an open window to serve some food, that is a good choice as well. They have a 2 massive sink and a lot of cupboards for our kitchen. We have few cupboards over here, and at the same time cupboards in the benchtop. So as usual, we have the range hood, we have the gas stove. I like the gas stove, very slick, and they might have upgraded their gas stove. And of course we have a Westinghouse oven as well. Very nice overall. We're not done yet with the kitchen part. So we have our fridge as well. You can put our fridge over here. And of course, we have a double pantry for our kitchen. That's a lot of space. That is our kitchen. But before we go to the laundry and the garage part of this house, I'm just going to show you on how good they pick the size of the window. So with the window, good amount of size, a lot of natural light coming in during the afternoon, as you can see from there. And yeah, you can definitely fit a good space or put a lot of equipment or furniture in this area. And the good thing about this, it's even though it is 266 land area, I believe we somehow maximize the space for this house. Okay, so we are in the laundry. The laundry, it is massive. There's a lot of space. So we have our sink, few drawers or cupboards over here, and you have the space for the washing machine or drying machine. Of course, we have a lot of space for our walk-in linen. We have a lot of space for a linen to put all of your bed sheet and etc. So as you can see, this is almost a 1.5 sliding robe. So you can put a lot of things, and there's a shelf already, a 4 shelf you can put in. So you don't have to build your own shelf because it has a shelf already. It's a good design by our client. Give props to them. A lot of hard work with their design. And of course, we have a sliding door on the other side for you to put your clothes, your laundry, etc. Okay, so we are in the last part of the video. Stay tuned. We're not finished yet, but look at this house. I really like the exterior of the house and how they combine the black steel, black frame for the window, and the color choice for their brick. Okay, similar with the roofing as well. But like I mentioned before, this house, it is a corner block of a subdivided block. So basically, the previous seller or the previous owner of this land, they subdivide it to a lot of lots. So this block is the lot number 2 for this subdivided block. And we have a common driveway where the client can park their cars with their double garage. I believe the client will put fencing as well in the near future for their own privacy. We have the windows, we have the alfresco. Alfresco, I'm assuming it's roughly 2.8 by 2.8 with a bit more higher ceiling. This one might be 28-core ceiling. A bit of a space for their backyard as well. So we have a good amount of space, open space for their backyard. And of course, we're gonna remove this one, once we hand over the keys or hand over the house as well. So that is a good design for their house. Okay, so even the pipe, look at the pipe. The down pipe is very slick, very modern. And of course, we have the double garage. With the double garage, this one is paved. The paving is included as well. And as you can see, we have a 28-core ceiling. We can definitely fit 2 cars for this double garage. We're not done yet. We have a storeroom as well. We opened the storeroom to create more space and to have more functionality. So, other storeroom, you might notice the storeroom is there's a wall and there's a door over here. But with this one, they open the storeroom to make it as a storeroom or even a workshop. Alright, so this one is roughly 2 by 2, and of course we have an LED light for the lighting. Okay, that is for our key handover episode 15. Let's go inside to wrap up this out. Alright, thank you guys for watching our key handover episode 15 here in Maddington. I would really appreciate if you hit that like button, comment below if you have any question on how to build a house here in Perth or wanting to know what is the process of building a house. I would definitely want to help you. You can always email me in my email address. It will be on the comment section below, or you can message me in our Facebook page or Instagram page at Build with Nick. The most important thing, subscribe to our channel. We will appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, and it will help the YouTube algorithm to show this video to a lot more people wanting to build a house here in Perth. Alright, that's it for today, and I will see you guys on our next video. Bye!